one of the cool things about living in a brand new city is everything's new. I don't know where anything is. People are always asking me, have you been to this bar? Have you been to this restaurant? Have you been over to Tidal Basin? Have you been on the mall? Have you been to, you name it? And the answer is probably no, but you know, it's becoming more and more maybe. And so I've created this channel to share some visual content of me exploring and creating cool things about what I'm experiencing, not just here in DC, but wherever I go. So here we go. So yesterday I headed up to Northwest DC to go to Let Me Cook TV's Rhythm and Foods event put on by Chef Mikey. He is a friend that I met here. It's honestly probably one of the coolest events that I've been to so far in the city. So I wanted to share a little bit of cinematic sequences from that event yesterday with you here on the channel. Let me know what you think. Would love your feedback, would love questions, and can't wait to put out another video next week and share a little bit more about what I'm creating and where I'm exploring. Yo, I'm in Northwest DC tonight at Songbird Cafe. Just super pumped about Chef Mech's event, Rhythm and Foods. I'm gonna introduce you to him and show you what another creative and artist is cooking up in and out of the kitchen. Just chilling with the Zeiss, Be Well Press Instagram. Say what's up.
What's up? What's going on? Follow me on IG.
I'm here with the Let Me Cook TV crew, Chef Mech and
What
his
up,
team.
what up? Hey guys, my name is Chef Mech of Let Me Cook TV. This is our 4th installment of Rhythm and Foods, and this has by far been my favorite because of these two people right here. Jordan Miller, amazing baker, amazing cook, also has her own cooking show called
Catering company.
Catering company called
DC Eating.
DC Eating. Follow her on Instagram, it's dope. And this is my boy Sahil. As you see, repping the brand. Let them know who you are, let them know where you're from.
How's it going?
I love it. Too cool for school. This is Let Me Cook TV.
Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this video. I wanted to just share, it's a little awkward holding a camera in front of your face and walking around, or setting it up on a bench and sitting down and staring at it. You get some really weird looks. I think almost every car that has driven by has looked at me or rolled down their window and been like, hey man, what are you doing? I've given out a few business cards that way actually, so it's kind of cool. I guess this awkward part is really more in my mind than in reality. Carrying around a camera, pointing it at myself, setting it up on a park bench, and just talking to it is a little weird, because I would much rather talk to a person, but I guess that's where you can just leave a message in the comments and we can communicate through this YouTube channel. It is kind of fun because this is all about me sharing moments of creating and exploring, learning new audio and video and storytelling techniques, and just giving you a piece of my world through through video. And to the irrational fear of caring about what people think about me, let's go.